Hey guys, I just thought I'd come on real quick and show you how I fix asparagus. When you buy asparagus, it's all in a bunch, you know, with rubber bands and everything. You do not want to cook everything they give you with this. What you do is you take and hold your asparagus. One side is the good side, and then you've got the side that's woody, and if you just take and you just gently bend it, it'll pop where the woodiness starts, and then you just give this to chickens or throw it in the compost or in the trash, and you just do that on each one, and you'll have just the tender bits, and you won't bite into a piece of that real woody end of the asparagus. And that's how you get the nice tender bits to eat. And I'll rinse this and put it on I line my pan with aluminum foil. So basically what they're selling you here is, in my mind, trash. But they don't have a way to have someone just stand there and do this. Plus your end would dry. This end where you're popping it would dry out, and you wouldn't want that. So I guess they're doing you a favor, giving you a little bit of extra work. It's not too bad. Because, I mean, basically you're just grabbing one end and the other. And these will all be tender and all the way down. See, when they start getting big around like that, they're almost too big to pick. Because you can tell how much more good you get with a smaller stemmed asparagus. Asparagus is best picked when it's still kind of small, because the larger it gets, the more woody it is. So now I've got a plate that's good and ready for me to fix, and then this I'm just going to put in the trash can because I don't have a compost pile or chickens at the moment. So I'll rinse these really quick under some running water. I've just lined a cookie sheet with some foil. I'm just going to run a few at a time under the water. Rinse them off. Shake them off, lay them down. Okay. Now I'm just going to spread them out a little bit here. And I'm going to drizzle some olive oil over the top. I've got my oven heating up to 350. And I'm not going to use a ton of oil either. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit on here if I can get some. Well, that was a little bit more than I needed. And then what I do is I use my hands, they're clean, and then just kind of work it through so that the whole surface of the asparagus has got a little olive oil on it. And we'll put them back this other way here. I'll wash my hands real quick. Get them down to a single layer. And then I'm just going to add salt and pepper. Freshly ground salt and pepper. I actually have pink Himalayan salt in my grinder at the moment. That's enough. Then I'll put some pepper on. And I'll put this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes, and it'll be ready to eat. So that's just a quick side dish I thought I'd share today. I know it's not Tuesday, but it's Thursday. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, I think I'm going to aim to try to do a short cooking segment during the day, just to share some ideas and recipes. So thanks for watching, guys, Leave a thumbs up if you enjoy the cooking videos, and give me a comment if you like asparagus. All right, bye.